Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade 10 and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button in this settings bar. By just one tap here we can turn on live photo and another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. When we have this turned on, we can get 2-in-1 when we take a picture, so we can get the photo and the short clip at the same time. Let me show you how it works by taking a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our live photo. As you can see, we can see the short clip. We can also use this button here to stop it to see the picture. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.